Hey there traders, ever wonder what it would be like to know when to make move and cash in on the market? Well, what if I told you there's a way to tap into the market secrets and make profitable trades regularly? Let's get started on TradingView and pick any chart you want. This strategy works great on all of them. Next, find the indicators tab and click on it. We're gonna look for our first handy tool called Pivot Point Super Trend Indicator. Hold up traders, before we dive into using the Pivot Point Super Trend Indicator, let's make sure it's perfectly tailored to your unique trading style. We're going to fine-tune the settings to give you the best chance at snagging those profitable trades. It's always wise to have a second indicator to back up your trading decisions. Think of it like a trusty sidekick giving you that extra vote of confidence before you make your move. But before I introduce the second indicator, I hope you've been enjoying the video so far. If you're digging the content and want more tips on trading profitably, don't forget to subscribe to our TradeGenius YouTube channel. We've got over 300 videos to help you master the art of trading. Now let's talk about adding the second indicator to boost your chances of success. This powerful tool is called the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for moving averages. To find it, head back to the indicators tab on TradingView and search for the 10 and 1 different moving averages. This bad boy combines a bunch of different moving averages into one handy package, so you can customize it to fit your unique trading style and make the most out of those market trends. So let's fine tune it. Listen up traders, identifying the market trend direction is absolutely crucial before making any trade. No worries though, because this strategy's got your back. When we're trying to spot an upward trend, focus on how the moving averages are stacked. You'll want to see the 300 period SMA below the 200 period SMA with the 50 period RMA on top. To complete the picture, make sure the price is also above these lines. With this setup, you know the market trend is pointing upward. When spotting a downtrend, you'll want to look for a specific order in the moving averages, similar to how we checked for the upward trend. Keep an eye out for the 50 period RMA sitting below the 200 period SMA. Then the 200 period SMA should be hanging out below the 300 period SMA. Finally, check the price is below all three moving averages. With this setup, you'll know how the market trend is heading south. So, you know how to use these awesome indicators to your advantage. Let's get the best part, the key rules for trading with these tools, so you can make the most out of them and improve your trading skills. Alright, let's break down the sell trade entry rules. First things first, we gotta spot a downtrend on the chart. Remember, the white line should be below the yellow line, and those two lines should be below the blue line, and the price needs to be under all moving averages. After that, look for a sell signal by the pivot point super trend indicator. Once you've got all that lined up, you're clear to open a sell position. Now, let's talk risk management for sell trades. You can set your stop loss using the most recent market swing high, or place it above the pivot point super trend line, or even the RMA 50 line. The key takeaway here is to always keep an eye out for your risk. It's crucial for successful trading. Finally, let's cover how to set a profitable trade target for sell trades. You can trail your stop loss using the pivot point super trend line, or set your trade target at 1.5 times greater than the distance between entry and a stop loss level. And now it's time to unreveal the buy trade rules. First things first, we need to identify an uptrend on the chart. Make sure the white line is above the yellow one and both are sitting above the blue line, with the price soaring above all the moving averages. So once that's clear, keep an eye out for a buy signal from our body, the pivot point super trend indicator. When all these conditions fall into place, you're all set to open a buy position. Next, let's discuss risk management for buy trades. To play it safe, you can set your stop loss using the most recent market swing low, or place it below the pivot point super trend line, or even below the RMA line. Remember, managing risk is a fundamental part of smart trading. Finally, let's talk about setting a profitable trade target for buy trades. You can trade your stop loss using the pivot point super trend line, or you can aim for a target that's 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry and stop loss level. Alright traders, check this out. We took our strategy for a test drive on the gold chart, keeping it short and sweet with a 15-minute time frame and a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. You won't believe what happened next. We scored big time with 70% win rate out of 100 trades and an incredible total profit of 108%. And get this, we even had an epic winning streak of 16 trades on a row against only 8 losses during our 9-week backtesting adventure. But the fun doesn't stop there. We also had a profit factor, that's the ratio of profit to losses, of 3.5. And guess what? The max drawdown was only 7.73%. So what are you waiting for? Give this video a shot and see the difference it can make in your own trading game. Also, make sure to check out our recommended video on the screen to double any trade. Happy trading!